Hi everyone, so I have a small Hobby Lobby haul. Right now the leather section is on clearance, so I wanted to share what I got. This is actually not for me, this is for my husband. These only got like a few things that are mine, so I'm sure it was mine. I got this blade and tool modeling spoon, and it was $10 down to $149. And then I got these little jump rings because I wanted I got the bigger jump rings because I make so many charms and dangles, and I needed some smaller ones for necklaces and bracelets and things like that. So these are 4mm. And I got this cup. It says I'll get over it, I just need to be dramatic first. $2.24. Regular price $8.99. So they have their, like, a lot of their cups and stuff too on clearance. So the rest of the stuff I got from my husband. So I got this wax thread. It was $1.62. I don't want to open it because unless he's ready to use it. But yeah, I got that one, which I could always use too. And then this wax thread for $1.62 from $10. The brown wax thread, same price. I don't know why it was same price. That's weird. And my husband opened it to take a look at it, but this is artificial sinew, and this was actually $1.74. And it's like, because it's for leather, it's really like, my husband said he was looking online because he makes these bracelets. Let me show you a bracelet he made me. So he made me this one here. I have a hard time making these bracelets, but this is probably my favorite one he's made. But so that's why I got him that. But yeah, this is supposed to be like good for ropes for boats, he was telling me. But yeah, I got this one. This, I don't know, I think it's just cord. Actually, it's just cord, and I didn't realize that. I don't know if it's waxed or not, but 37 cents. This is the same as this one, artificial sinew in black. More cotton cord, 1.5mm, 62 cents. Then we got one black and one brown wax cord for 37 cents. And the last one is another wax cord. They're just different colors. These two are brown. So yeah, I just wanted to share that small haul. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.